one person in our midst whose presence we always treasure, particularly on an occasion like the Rotary Charter Night. Because the Charter Night is a very important occasion where we go back to the past, celebrate it, where we focus on the present, celebrate it, and look at the future and celebrate that as well. To make this moment of celebration very meaningful, we have with us the one and only Rotarian Dr. B. Devdas Rai, past District Governor, multiple Paul Harris Fellow. Dr. Devdas Rai has been our Governor's Special Representative, and somehow we are never tired of saying that it was he who set the ball rolling for the formation of our club. ಒಂದು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಮೂಲಾಗ್ರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈಗಳದ್ದು. ನಮಗಿನ್ನೂ ನೆನಪಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದ ವಿಚಾರ, ಆದರೂ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲು ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ನೈಟ್ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು ಪೂರ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಈಗಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಮುಂದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸುವರ್ಣ ಅವಕಾಶ. ಇದು ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ನೈಟಿನ ಮೂಲಭೂತವಾದ ಒಂದು ಧೋರಣೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ, ಒಂದು ಔಚಿತ್ಯ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, bring it forward into the present and carry it forward in the long march into the future. That is what we are doing with the Rotary Charter Night, and that Charter Night becomes very, very meaningful because of the presence of Rotarian Dr. B. Devdas Rai. It was he who took special pains at a time when we were not very well oriented into Rotary. He was the one, he was the pillar of commitment at that time. He was the pillar of commitment, coordinating everything, arranging the meetings, attending every meeting every week. Every week he would be here with us, carrying a guest with him, putting pressure on us. Look, the guest has come, I have come, where are you? So we would be there, and that's how the club started moving forward. So we can't think of the Rotary Club Deralakatte today forgetting the contributions, the immense contributions of Rotarian Dr. B. Devdas Rai. So with great pleasure and great pride, sir, we recognize your presence here and welcome you most warmly to this.
ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ನೈಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಒಂದು ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದವರು ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ PDG. ಇವರು ಬಹುಶಃ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗಲೂ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಗ್ತಾನೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಅವರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೇ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ಆರ್ತಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು 24-25 ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಸಾಲಿನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವಿರೋಧವಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಿಂತವರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅದು ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಹನೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂತ. ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ರೋಷಾವೇಶ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಎಣಿಸೋದು ಇವರು ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಹನಾಮೂರ್ತಿ, ತಾಳ್ಮೆ. ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ತಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮನದಾಳದಿಂದ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ AG ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ನೋಡುವಾಗಲೇ ಆಗ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಲಾಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಕೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಬಹುಶಃ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ನನಗೆ ಯಾವರಾಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಯಾವುದು ಏಜ್, ಅದು ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ನಾನು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡುವ. ಆಗ ಅವರು DG ಅಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಜೋಕು ಮಾಡುವಂತೇಳಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ.
ಈಗ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಆ ಸ್ನೇಹ, ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಆತ್ಮೀಯತೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗ್ತದೆ. ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟಿನಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಚಾರ. ದೇವದಾಸ ರೈ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ ರೈ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಕೆಲ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನಂತನ್ರವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವೈದ್ಯನಾಗಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟೆಯ ಆ ಒಂದು KS ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂರೋಸರ್ಜನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಒತ್ತಡದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕೆಲವು ಬಾರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಓದೋದು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ OTಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒತ್ತಡದ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ರೋಟರಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶೀಲರಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು ತೊಡಗಿಸುವವರು. ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸರಿ ಇನ್ನು ಆ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾರೋದು ಅವರು 3 ಕೆಲಸ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂಥ ಒತ್ತಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮೂವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕವಾದ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
ತರಗತಿಯನ್ನು ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. ದುರದೃಷ್ಟವಶು ಅವರು SLC ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡಾಗಲೇ ಪಾಪ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಅದನ್ನು ಎದೆಗುಂದಿದೆ ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮತ್ತು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಟ್ವಿನ್ಸ್, ಅವಳಿ ಜವಳಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಪಡೆದ ಅಂಕಗಳು ಕೂಡ 562 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಸಮನಾಗಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ದೈವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮದ ಗುರುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಚಾರಿತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥವರು. ಬಹುಶಃ ನಾನು ಅವತ್ತು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ನೋಡಲ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಉಳ್ಳಾಲ ವಿಧಾನಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬಂದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ DC ಅವರು ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ವತಃ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಕೂಡ ಊರಿಂದ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಕೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂಕ ಪಡಿತಾರೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಭಗವಂತ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಜೀಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ರಾಮೇಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮದ ಗುರು ದೇವರು ಭಕ್ತರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ದತ್ತ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾನರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಇದಲ್ಲದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. 8 ಮಕ್ಕಳು 125ಕ್ಕೆ 125 ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು 125ಕ್ಕೆ 125 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ 125ಕ್ಕೆ 124 ಪಡೆದಂತಹ 6 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು 123 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಂಥ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಬ್ಬುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಶಾಲೆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಟರಿಯವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಿರಿ ಯೋಜನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೊರಕಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಗಣ್ಯರು ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ದತ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, PD ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರು, ಲತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತು ಸೀತಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು, ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ JP ರೈ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಅನಂತ್ ಸರ್, ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಇವರ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾನು ರೋಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ತನಕ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಯಾವುದೇ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ದತ್ತಂ ಸರ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಬಾರಿ ನಾನು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶ್ವಾಸನೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಈ ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೈ.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ 3 ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಭೀಮ ಬಲವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೆ ಪಿ ರೈ ಅವರು. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಈಗ ರೋಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅವರನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವರ ಮುಖ ನೋಡೋದು ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು, ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವರ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎದುರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದರು. ಪಾಪ ಅವರ ತಾಯಿಯವರು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಮಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನುಣಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವವರಿಗೆ ಅವರೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಸಮಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡಿಗೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವವರು, ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮುತ್ತಿನಂಥ ಮಾತು ಮುತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಡೈಮಂಡು, ವಜ್ರ. ಆ ವಜ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಲ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾಸಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾಸಲಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕೋಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಪುನಃ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅದೇ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಮೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಪನ್ನಾ ಎಂಬ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಭಾರತವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾಗಿ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಅಮೆರಿಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೈಮಂಡನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ, ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಡೈಮಂಡ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರು. ಇಂತಹ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದ, ಗೌರವದ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಚಾರ. ಅವರೀಗ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Rotarian Sita Lakshmi Madam, you are president till another week, maybe till 23rd. Secretary of the Rotary Club Deralakatte, Rotarian Vani Lokaya. President-elect Rotarian Lata Vikram. Secretary-elect Rotarian Sujata Shetty. District Governor-elect, District Governor for the year 2024-25, Rotarian Multiple Paul Harris Fellow Vikram Datta. Assistant Governor Zone 2, RIDC 3181, 2023-24, Rotarian PHF PD Shetty. Rotarian PHF Santosh Seth, who has been magnanimous to attend the function. He is a member, past president of the parent club of the Rotary Club Deralakatte. Rotarian M. Vasant Malya, another hardcore member of the Rotary Club Deralakatte. And all Rotarians of Deralakatte, Anns, Annets and Johns, ladies and gentlemen. So it takes me back to the year 2006. That is the year when I started trying to form a club in Deralakatte, 2006. And it was only till in 2008, 7-8 that we were able to, the dream was able to materialize. Nowadays, there is Prakash Karant who has 5 clubs and so on. But then it was very difficult, and especially, I told it in the past, but I think it's worth telling again, in a place like Deralakatte, where the concept of Rotary was not there. It was only Lions Club of Chota Nagar, Ullala, Lions Club of Manchi, and so many. And I've told in the past also, I'm repeating, I was in a very hostile environment. Ananthan will know that. Every day we used to sit in the duty room of K.S. Hegde, and I used to talk about Rotary, and people used to ridicule. There were a lot of people, what Rotary, this fellow is a mad fellow. That's what they were telling. But I'm very happy to know that one of the people who was not converted by the die-hard critics was Ananthan. Rotarian Dr. Ananthan also was sitting, and people like Dr. Sandeep Ray and so many people used to tease me, this fellow is a gone case. He will not do anything, only Rotary and Rotary. What Rotary? Even Shantaram Shetty used to tease me. Amarnath Hegde used to tease me. Everybody used to tease me. So it used to be a very, depressing atmosphere. But then I went on. Then came Chandra Sadyantaya, Rotarian past president, PHF Chandra Sadyantaya. I and he used to meet in the canteen every day, and I used to tell him, I want to start a club here. Then he took me to K.R. Shetty, Rotarian K.R. Shetty. Of course, then K.R. Shetty didn't join the club. From there it started. Chandra Satyantaya took me to several people, and then 20 people were, because you need minimum of 20 members. Where is the inauguration? So K.R. Shetty was very magnanimous to give the premises of Vidyaratna English medium school, and that was, the inauguration was a very, then before that, okay, members are there. Now what about the president? Somebody has to become the president. So there was a lot of hesitation. Nobody wanted to be the president. Then by fluke, one day when I went to Dr. Arunachalam Kumar's chamber, he was the dean of our KSAGD. I didn't know that he was in a past Rotary GSE scholar. He was actually sent by the Rotary Club of Mangalore North to, I think it was USA, long time back. And I was talking to him, generally. Then I told him, then he started talking about Rotary. He said, see, I was in the Rotary Club of Mangalore North, and I was also sent by the Rotary Club of Mangalore North as a GSE scholar to USA. I have a lot of regard for Rotary. Then I asked him, sir, I'm planning, or rather we are trying to start a Rotary Club here. Will you be the president? He straight away agreed. That was a big boost to me, because till that time, president also was not there. Immediately K.S. Babu, who was there in the security department, he agreed to be the secretary. That was how the club started. On January, I forget the date exactly, 2008. Nagendran, past now is late, past district governor, multiple donor. S.K. Nagendran was the governor, and the Rotary Club of Mangalore Central was led by Rotarian, now Mr. past President PHF Prakash Kotian. So it was a very grand affair. Many people came, the alcohol flowed. The entire party was sponsored by our Dr. Arunachalam Kumar. Then it took another 3 months for the charter. Nowadays it's very easy. Vikram Datta knows, the charter comes very easy. We applied with real all intention, good intentions and all. But because what happened is they wanted not to charter a club which will be, little doubtful. And there our governor also was very doubtful, Nagendran. I think he was skeptical. So governor didn't give a good report. He said, no, that region doesn't have enough people to sustain. So what they did is, but we did one thing, we kept meeting every week in meeting point. I was there in Shema, and one day a call came to JP Rai, if you remember, from South Asia office. That was, they were doubting. He said, no, we are meeting regularly. Sometimes I only used to put the caller because Dr. Arunachalam was not coming correctly. It was very tough times. But then came June, when the actual charter presentation took place in meeting point. A lot of Rotarians came from Mangalore Central. By the time the president had changed, Dr. Mohandas Bandari was the president. But I didn't want Dr. Mohandas Bandari to be on stage. I wanted Chandra Satyantaya, past president. He was the charter president. Shekhar Shetty was the membership committee chair. And they were on stage. And then the AG of that year, it was, I think, yes, it was Rao. He died now, of Port Town. And a very grand function in meeting point. Lot of meetings we had in meeting point then. The charter was presented on June 9, 2008. From then on, the club has never looked back. It was, I tell many times, it was actually two people. These two people actually who changed the character of the club. One is our Rotarian past president PHF K.R. Shetty, and another is our DGE, Rotarian past president MPHF Vikram Datta. Once they took over, then my load became less. I had switched over to AJ from Shema, and Dr. Makkanavar told me, I think the Rotary is gone. Because you are not there, you will not come. See, I am in Mangalore, but I didn't. In fact, some of my month's half salary used to go for Rotary Deralakatte. Sponsoring the bulletins, sponsoring the dinner, because the dinners have to be there every month. And I used to, like Rai Shankar said, I used to bring the chief guest from Mangalore. Sometimes we had only 4 or 5 people in Vidyaratna school, but we had the meetings. From there, today the Deralakatte club is totally different. It may be a 23-member club, but it is one of the most vibrant small clubs in the district. Already, the club has won the Best Club Award. I think, and Vikram Datta is here, then again in JP Rai is here, and K.R. Shetty is here. Small club, best club. And last year, I think Platinum Plus, I think, if I am not wrong, this time Platinum. So many activities are done very, 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 religiously. Vikram Datta has been a pillar of support. He may be the district governor elect, but he won't like to sit in the chair. He will be sitting somewhere there and all. And that is the spirit. So now, what is our responsibility? Of course, all of us are telling about the responsibility. Now the responsibility is huge. the responsibility on our shoulders is huge, because there is a district governor elect from our club in the 16th, not 16th, now it's the 16th year, 2008. In the 17th year of the club, we'll have a district governor and lot of responsibilities. Of course, I think we are all prepared. They are all preparing very well for the conference and various other activities. And like PD Shetty mentioned, Vikram Datta has been in rotation, active rotation from the past several years. Some of the responsibility of the assistant governorship to Vikram Datta was to me, and then K.R. Shetty. K.R. Shetty was initially made, Nagarjun asked me, the past governor, I want one AG from Deralakatte. I suggested K.R. Shetty's name, and for some time K.R. Shetty was there. Then Rotarian PHF PP K.R. Shetty was not able to concentrate. Then of course, he himself suggested Vikram Datta's name. From the time Vikram Datta became the assistant governor, he has been active in the district. Like whether the governor is to his liking or not, he takes some role and does it very, very sincerely. Now, he will reap all the benefits, because friends everywhere will not let him down. There is a group of people who are with him, who are so, dedicated. I think it will be a cakewalk for him. All the same, all the Rotarians of Deralakatte will have to, be with him, because he needs a lot of your support. And running the district is quite difficult. It's a very difficult district, and this time they have a foundation goal of $15,000. I don't know how Kesha will be able to, because like you said, Joseph Matthew was able to collect about $4,500. Before that, Bharatesh had broken my record. I had the record of $1,700 in my time for the annual giving, which was there a record for quite some time. Then Dr. Bharatesh came and made it 2,300. That is 3180. Now 3181, Joseph Matthew holds the record. So from 4,000 to go to 15,000 is not an easy task, but Keshav is going about the sun. So let us all cooperate with the present governor, HR Keshav, and of course, like PD Shetty suggested, only if we go for meetings, only if we go for different meets, then they will come. So all of us will have to go in big strength. We have all gone in big strength to the district assembly, and then we have gone in big strength to the DG installation, and we'll go in big strength definitely to the membership development seminar, which was originally, I think, Deralakatte's idea. Vikram Datta wanted to, but then the Mangalore South requested. So we'll have to go there because we need their support, all the support, and then of course the foundation seminar and the conference. 100% is what they're expecting, I think, from the Mangalore South and all. So I think 100, now we have got a lot of good members. But another very good thing is, last time I told in the installation, the ladies part. Now it's 4 years, 3 years, lady president, lady secretary, again 4th year, lady president, lady secretary, 5th year also. I think, I don't know anywhere in the world whether it's there or not, because I don't know, maybe 5th year in succession, a small club is having lady president, lady secretary. Here, of course, I would like to just, recently I was on a tour to USA and Canada, and one thing I do is, I try to contact the Rotary clubs there. So one of our members, Ganesha, is very active in the, social media. He gave me all the addresses. Would you believe it? In Toronto and Montreal, I tried contacting all the presidents. Not one person answered my phone. Not one person answered the message. I was totally feeling, because I had taken the flag also of Rotary Club Mangalore Center. Then came Windsor, where my son is staying. And I told that in Central also, I'll tell here also. My wife was, telling, what chwara this is. Here also you're coming and wanting to go to Rotary. And my son, he is totally, they have seen me enough. My daughter-in-law was slightly sympathetic. She said, okay, we'll make a call. We made a call, and one lady took the phone. Our Jennifer Jones, actually bogus. I'll tell you, she just became president because of some muska. Her club has not met since last 6 months. She is a bogus. This is all, in that higher level, it's all muska. That Windsor club of hers is totally useless. It has not met since 6 months. There was another club called Rotary Club of Windsor, 1918, born in the year. That I phoned up the lady too. She's a secretary of the club. They have that executive secretary. She said, you're here? We are meeting today in the afternoon, physical. I was thrilled because after trying so much in Montreal and Toronto, then within 5 months, it's a small place. Windsor is a very small place, 50,000 population around. And immediately my daughter-in-law dropped me to the hotel. It was a 5-star hotel and 84 Rotarian club. 40 had come. Most of them are above 60, 70. 7 Indians are, however, below 30. And the president and the secretary are ladies. Rotarian Leon was a past mayor of the Rotary Club of Windsor. She is about 70 years old. And Rotarian Laura. Then I gave a presentation. It was well appreciated. I got it in the WhatsApp and all. They appreciate it very much, and I was able to. So what I'm trying to say is, lady president and lady secretary there also, but not like here. 5 years, 4 years continuously. And how active you are. It's not that the lady, Sita Lakshmi teacher, taking a rickshaw and coming to Mangalore and then keeping the rickshaw there and coming back. Can you imagine? Sita Lakshmi's teacher I have known for a very long time because Babbukatte school and all, or IMA and all this stuff. That time she was not interested. So many times I asked, Bhaskar Alva asked her so many times, Madam, but today see where she is. So this is the magic of Rotary Club Deralakatte. So I am again supposed to speak to you in the installation. There I will do the standing ovation and all those things. But anyway, I wish the Rotarians of Rotary Club Deralakatte all the very best. And this time there is a positive plan of inducting quite a few members. The target for the PD Shetty has got a good metro, Mangalore, Deralakatte and Midtown. Slightly weak, maybe Midtown. See, last time Rajagopal Ray had useless club, Sunrise, in the sense. Then Port Town. Then Central, because of our president, he got Platinum Plus. Only one club. Other 3 clubs put. Whereas Balk Shetty had a Baikampadi, North, then they had East, all Platinum Plus clubs. So that way, I think even PD Shetty is lucky. He has got very good clubs with him. He has got, I think, Midtown, Deralakatte, South and Downtown. Yeah, Metro is with Shivani Badiga. Okay, anyway, I wish also the second assistant governor from this club. First assistant governor was Rotarian Vikram Datta. Second assistant governor is Rotarian PHF PD Shetty. Even he was very reluctant. When he joined, he was very reluctant, but today he has become a hero. And also I should again, I have told many times about Ravi Shankar. He used to come to me as a patient, his wife, and many times I used to tell him about Rotary. Much before Deralakatte. And he used to just laugh. Then one day I was pressurizing him, in fact, but I thought he won't come. One day I didn't come for the meeting. I was in Mangalore. Suddenly I got a call. Sir, where are you? Today I am not coming. Sir, I have gone to the temple and prayed to God and I am entering the Rotary Club of Deralakatte. So now Ravi Shankar is another diamond. The 3 diamonds, J.P. Ray, of course. He is all in all. He is the finance manager, he is the meeting manager, everything. And then Dr. Ananthan. Only thing my request to Dr. Ananthan is one of these days, please assume the presidentship. And also Dr. Ravi Shankar, please assume the presidentship. It's nothing, it's a cakewalk. All people are there, hardcore people are there to support you. So please, and also with these few words, wishing the Rotary Club of Deralakatte all the very best.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬನ್ನು ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ನೈಟ್ ಇದು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಅವರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಹರಸುವಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದ ಥರ, ಒಂದು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇದ್ದ ಥರ ಅದು ಆಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮೂಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದ ಕಾರಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈಗ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.